Good evening. This is All India Radio. I am Valsa Williams and with me is Prashant Kumar Sinha with the evening news.
In Manipur, 2 persons expired due to COVID-19 positive in the past 24 hours, thus increasing the total fatality due to the pandemic in the state to 88. On the other hand, 282 people, including 27 personnel of the Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases in the past 24 hours in the state, taking the total count of positive cases so far in the state to 13,092. 444 persons were discharged in the past 24 hours in the state, and the recovery rate is at 78.71%. So far, Manipur has recorded total recovered and discharged cases of 10,306, while the number of active cases is 2,698.